Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Infinix phone settings. So click on settings right here. Next thing you need to do is to go ahead and scroll down right here. Click on display and brightness. Go ahead and scroll down right here. And make sure you click on desktop settings. From desktop setting, go ahead and click on appearance right here. Then you are here. Go ahead and click on icon size. So by default, the icon size on my phone here is 100%. So you can decide to reduce to 90 or 80%, or better still, you can make it to maximum, which is 120%. So if I drag this way, it becomes 90%. Drag it down more, it becomes 80%. So you drag to the top, it take it to the 120%. So let's go ahead and take it to 80%. By the time I assist from here, and you can see how tiny the icon app on my phone home page display right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Infinix Android phone, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.